Welcome students. Today we will read the story In the Kingdom of Fools. It is a folk tale that is written in Kannada and it is translated by A.K. Ramanujan in English. So this is a story of the fools. Yes, you can see the king is fool and minister is also fool. So they have decided to make it different from the other states or other kingdoms. So what did they do? They changed the day into night and night into day. As now what were there? People were doing the work in the day in the night time and they were sleeping in the daytime. Okay, so what happens there? One day there came one disciple and one guru. As they were looking there, everything that was different. People were sleeping at the daytime and they were doing their work in the night time. When they go for eating something, they purchased something. What did they find? That everything that has the price, that was the same price. Everything that was the cost of everything, that was 1 rudu only. That was the currency that they are using in the kingdom of fools. So as after one day that the guru was saying to disciple, let's go from here, but disciple said it is very good place, as he was getting everything that is at the low cost. So he said, I will live here. As he was living there, and then what did he do? He was eating for the whole day, as everything was very cheap. So he was eating all the day and he became very fat. Now after that, what happens one day? There was one merchant was there, and one thief came there for stealing the things from his house. But what happens when he was going back? Then the wall that was fallen on him and he was died. As the thief, he was died, the brother of the thief, he came and he said that my brother is when he was doing that work we are doing, he went for the stealing the things from the home, but the wall that wall of merchant they have, the wall of that house, that was fallen on him. That's why he was died. After that there start a game, that is the blame game. What happens in that? So let's read it. What happens there? Then the merchant was called and merchant was saying that there is the fault who make this wall. Then that is the mason, he was called and he was saying, there is no my fault. I admit that I made this wall, but I got distracted by that dancer who was going and coming. That's why there is a fault in the wall. So now blame was gone on dancer. So dancer was called there, and when she was called, then she was became so old. So she was saying, I admit that I went that time, I was going again and again from the street, but there is no my fault that I was going here there again and again, because I have given some jewelry that to make to the goldsmith, but he didn't give me at the proper time. So now that I was going there again and again. Now that was now blame was gone on that goldsmith. And who was that goldsmith? Now king was saying to call goldsmith. The goldsmith was that is the father of merchant, but he was no more now. Again the merchant was called, and what did they said that there is your fault. because you have got the property of your parents, so you will get the sins of him also. So now this was declared that here the fault, that here who is the responsible for the death of the thief, that is the merchant. So now he was that now he would be going to. Now the merchant was called for the punishment, but the slot was not fit to him. So the king ordered to find the fit man for him. Then the minister found that the disciple who became very fat after eating there. Then he was that was announced that he would be got the punishment because he was fit to the slot. So now he was just remembering the words said by his guru, that this is the kingdom of fools and you don't know what will happen here, anything can be happened here anytime. So now that is disciple, he was just remembering his guru in the mind. Then guru appeared there. So what did guru said? Guru said whispered in his ears, and he said, you have to do this, and disciple follow the instructions given by the guru. So what did they do? Guru said, I want to, when they were going for the punishment, then guru started to say that they both go to the king before got the punishment. Guru was saying, I want to die before the disciple, and then king asked, why do you want so? Then he said, who would be die before, he would be the next king. So that's why I want to die before, and who will die after that, he would be the minister. So when they go there, what did happen? That king and kingdom, now what happened there? King was saying, I will die before, and then he was saying, that minister, they were saying, okay, that what did they do? They changed their clothes and they went there. Okay, as king went there, he got death earlier because he wanted to be king next year, and then minister also followed that, and in this way that king and minister, they got that they died. Now people were very happy.